Pray tell, sir.
View of the whole city. We have the old town square in the palm of our hands. I can see the astronomical clock we just fixed. We should find the next portal soon. We have to hurry. I see it behind the teen temple. Watch out! Try to run away. No! It's too late. Let's sprint. Overdoing it a little? The dragons are a part of medieval myths. Watch out for arrows! That was a close call. We're in the year 1621 and on your right, you see the White Mountains where a legendary battle is about to take place. This is going to get heated. We'd better get out of here. Hold on! And we're falling again! The dragon ate us. It's not a feeling, but a disgusting reality.